As a member of the Power Lead system, you'll have a huge unfair advantage in generating quality leads. This amazing feature is ready for you to start using immediately. So what exactly is it? It's a funnel that allows you to give away a free lead system to your prospects. And you can use this funnel to promote anything you want. Think about it. What better way to generate good quality leads than to offer something with tremendous value? Because what you're giving away is a lead generating machine, complete with autoresponders, dashboard, banners, and a powerful contact manager. It has everything a person needs to start generating leads immediately. Anyone you give the free lead system to becomes your lead, and their info goes directly into your contact manager. This will initiate a done-for-you email campaign presenting you as an expert in the industry. This same campaign will also expose your prospects to your primary business repeatedly, because whoever you give this to will also have the same ability. Okay, so you might be thinking, what's the catch, right? Why are we allowing you and your entire genealogy of prospects to give away a free lead system? Well, just like Costco gives away those free samples, we're pretty much doing the exact same thing. And here's how it works. When anyone that you give the free system to starts generating leads, every other lead is going to roll up to you. For example, suppose you give away 10 free systems. You're going to have 10 great leads. You would now be receiving every other lead that these 10 people ever generate. When these 10 people generate 10 leads each, that's 100 leads. But with every other lead rolling up, that's 50 free leads deposited directly into your contact manager. You would now have 50 new people passing you every other lead that they ever generate. And it just keeps growing from there. And free members enjoy the same exponential growth of free leads rolling up to them, just like you do. The difference is, as a member of the Power Lead system, you aren't passing up any leads. You see, only free members pass up leads. Now here's something else I think you're really going to get excited about. As your free members start generating leads for themselves, their new leads are also generating their own leads, and so on. This can keep happening generation after generation. And pretty soon you could have literally armies of free lead members many levels deep kicking up free leads. And why is this so significant? Because naturally we give each free lead member the opportunity to upgrade. After all, it's only fair that free lead members are given the chance to keep all of their leads too, right? It also makes sense that they might want a more robust system, you know, with all the bells and whistles that the Power Lead system has. So here's a quick example of how powerful this can be. Suppose you give a free lead system to Mary. Mary gives a free system to Sue. Sue gives a free system to Mark, and Mark gives a free system to Lori. Lori then decides to upgrade. Who do you suppose gets credit when Lori, whether she's 5 levels deep or 50, decides to upgrade? That's right, you do. So the Power Lead system software will track upline and credit this new sale directly to the first Power Lead system affiliate it finds. Don't forget, Mary, Sue, and Mark are free members who never paid a penny for their system. And this entire process can start by you giving away just one free system. This is amazing stuff. And as I said earlier, you can start generating leads with this incredible tool immediately. All you have to do is just get started. Just imagine what having an army of free affiliates all generating leads for themselves can do for your income. Stop imagining. Claim your free trial and find out right now.